Hey guys, it is Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we are taking a look at Tesla. There's been a lot of buzz surrounding the company lately, so we're going to cover some of the recent news, plus take a look at how analysts are weighing in, both the bears and the bulls, and what opinions they are giving on the Tesla stock. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and please leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget that you can check out our pre-market update video Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before the market opens. All right, now let's get right into Tesla. Of course, trading under the ticker TSLA, they're currently sitting around $660 per share. It is well known that Tesla is a popular stock. And out of over 350,000 investor portfolios on TipRanks, over 8% of them hold Tesla. And on average, those investors allocate about 25% of their portfolio to the Tesla stock. So that is a pretty impressive percentage there. Now let's take a look at the news section for Tesla. Now, it is no secret that Tesla is in the news quite a bit. Here you can see their weekly average is about 288 articles. This week so far we're at 276. The news sentiment does tip slightly to the bullish side, with 58% being bullish and 42% being bearish. Now, down below, it'll connect us to all of the articles recently mentioning Tesla, and it is a very long list, and this is just the last 24 hours. One notable piece of news is this article saying that you can now buy Tesla with Bitcoin. So, Elon Musk announced the move on Twitter overnight, making official what was suspected after the company disclosed a $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin back in February. Make no mistake, it is an investment and not a trade. They expected to pay around $33,000 back in February, and at current prices of about $56,500, they've made more than $1 billion or 71% on their investment. Musk, however, appears interested in Bitcoin as a medium of exchange, saying that Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin and not converted to fiat currency. Early Wednesday, their website indicated that a $100 order fee can be paid with 0.0018 Bitcoin. Tesla is actually one of my favorite stocks to look at the analyst ratings on, as I don't think there is another stock out there that has analysts quite as divided. We have analysts coming in with price targets on all ends of the scale. So the Tesla stock does come in as a hold. This is based on 29 analyst ratings with 9 buy ratings, 13 holds, and 7 sells. You can see on the right here, our range of price targets is very wide. The low end, we have a $67 price target, and on the high end, we have a $1,200. Now, if we look down at our detailed list of analyst forecasts, we can see that $1,200 price target came from Alex Potter from Piper Sandler. He reiterated that price just today. On the right here, we can actually click over to the article where they speak about this rating. He says that regarding Tesla's prospects in truck-related markets, the next 6 to 12 months will be crucial, and investors should not be surprised if production delays lead to temporary sell-offs. Tesla remains one of the analysts' highest conviction long ideas. However, he even admits that better entry points could lie ahead. Temporary sell-offs seem likely because over the next 6 months, there is a high degree of unpredictability in Tesla's production ramp. This is particularly true for the company's new plants in Germany and Texas. Now, on the other side of things, we have that very low-end target of just $67. That low target comes from Tesla bear Gordon Johnson from GLG Research. He has a sell rating with that $67 price target, which will be a negative 89% downside. Taking a look at his thoughts, he says that Tesla's $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment is a sign of desperation. He says that Tesla took a large chunk of the cash generated from their 3 secondary equity offerings and invested it in a highly volatile and allegedly manipulated cryptocurrency. The analyst said that the company has run out of viable internal uses of capital as it did not invest in research and development or capital expenditure. The analyst said that his view of Bitcoin is an environmental disaster as it consumes more power than the entire country of Switzerland. They said that they see this as a sign of desperation from a CEO whose company is facing real competition for the first time ever. So we've taken a look at the most bearish analyst as well as the most bullish analyst and their opinions on the Tesla stock. Now let's look at one that comes in the middle with a hold. And one of those hold ratings comes from Daniel Ives from over at Wedbush, who is well known for his coverage of the Tesla stock. His hold rating, though, comes with a $950 price target, which is still an upside of about 44%. Let's take a look at what Dan Ives is saying. So he says that with the news out of Beijing this week indicating China is restricting the use of Tesla's EV vehicles by some state and military personnel, citing national security concerns, the street was laser focused on any actions from Tesla and Musk in response to this poker move. Musk has told the government-backed China Development Forum in Beijing that Tesla would never provide the U.S. government with data collected by its vehicles in China or other countries, and would shut down everywhere if the company ever used its cars to spy on a country. The analyst believes this statement was important for Tesla and Musk to make directly to the Chinese and the government in Beijing, given the strategic importance of its EV ambitions within China. Now, one other really neat thing that we can do with tip ranks is to take a look at the track record of these analyst ratings on the stock and how often they were successful and what type of return you would have gotten if you followed along with their ratings. So let's take a look at our biggest bear and biggest bull on Tesla and how they've performed in the past. So let's start off with Gordon Johnson, our Tesla bear with his $67 price target. So first of all, on the left, he is rated 0 stars and is ranked 7,149 out of 7,399 analysts. On the Tesla rating here, we can see that he's given it 16 ratings. His success rating on the stock has been 6 out of his 14 ratings, and average profit, if you were selling his predictions there, would be negative 100%. Now let's take a look at our bull here with Alexander Potter. He does come in as a 5-star analyst and is ranked 302 out of the 7,399 analysts. For Tesla, he has actually done 34 different ratings. Now, 16 out of 25 of those ratings were profitable, and his average return per rating on there would be over 200%. So there is a quick breakdown of analyst opinions on the Tesla stock, as well as a quick look at a breakdown of their past rating performance. Like I said, Tesla is one of my favorite stocks to watch the analyst ratings on, as I can't find another that has more divided opinions and differing price targets. If you can think of another that is like that, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd also love to hear your opinion in Tesla and where you weigh in on the bull versus the bear, so make sure you leave your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.